The minute she started falling, keeping her passionate lust. The girl was persuasive, the girl I trust. The girl was bad, the girl was dangerous. Sections with the eye of desire. I felt trapped into the feelings of a touch, a kiss, a whisper of love. I was like I wanted my return. Deep in the dark, my passions anxiety. I felt taken, thus stressed in humanity. This girl I had trust. The girl was bad. The girl was dangerous.
You know you want me.